Suitcase? Check. Maps? Double check. Passport? Got it. And we even made it to our flight on time. Nice. One of my favorite parts of traveling is researching the geography of different places. Geography is the study of the physical features of the Earth and how they affect the humans who call the planet home. But wait, it gets even better. The study of geography is divided into different themes, too. The better we understand geography and how it impacts people, the more knowledgeable we are about the world around us. Location is a good place to get started. It means where a place is located or where it can be found on a map. To pinpoint locations on Earth, geographers use either relative location or absolute location. Relative location is where a place is located in relation to another place. For example, the airport is located 3.5 miles from the house and a half mile away from the park. Absolute location is the precise point where a place is located on Earth. To find absolute location, a geographer uses imaginary lines called latitude and longitude. Lines of latitude circle the Earth from east to west, while lines of longitude circle the Earth from north to south. Lines of latitude and longitude meet at specific points called coordinates. By typing in specific coordinates on your cell phone, you can find an exact point on the planet no matter where you are. Place describes the characteristics of a location. Are there mountains, beaches, valleys, or deserts? What is the climate like? Is it hot or cold? Do you see forests, sand, grass? The theme of place doesn't only describe physical characteristics, but human characteristics too. How are people using the location? Do you see major cities? What do the houses look like? Is there lots of farmland or densely populated neighborhoods? How is the geography affecting the way people live their lives? Regions are ways to organize the world into locations that share common characteristics. You can organize places many different ways, from time zones to geographic characteristics, economic similarities, languages spoken, the official borders of countries, cities, towns, and much, much more. Humans are always on the move, and they're taking ideas and goods with them. When studying movement in geography, ask yourself, why did people move to that area? How did they get there? What items or ideas did they take with them? What did people do once they moved to a new location? Movement doesn't just apply to people either. It applies to goods, ideas, and information being transferred from place to place too. How does the new information or ideas impact a location after it's transferred? So many questions. It's undeniable that humans impact the environment wherever they go. Since the dawn of time, humans have changed the environment to fit their needs. They've built homes, towns, and cities. They've protected lands for future generations and used others to plant crops or build businesses. How has human action impacted the environment? How does the environment respond to these changes? The relationship between humans and the environment is constantly changing as one reacts to the other. Oh, looks like we've landed. Who knew the 5 themes of geography could be so fascinating? Being knowledgeable about the world around us makes the journey so much more fulfilling, don't you think?